train. I boarded the train, but I didn't get a chance to take you there because when I reached the train station, my train was already boarding, so I could not delay to show you outside and what I'm doing, but stay tuned. I'll give you some nice view of the area and the place. On my first train, I'll get off this train and take a second one, and then I'll do the bus. So if you are watching this video and you have not yet subscribed to become a part of my family, please do so with that post notification bell on, and you can also follow me on Instagram at charms_lifestyle, my business page at Golden Charm Beauty Palace, and my daughter's business page at Tejas Fashion District. So I hope you will enjoy this ride with me. Okay guys, so stay tuned.
taking you on a surprise trip to meet up with someone. So I will not tell you who that person is until you see it. Okay, so stay tuned.